That's what we call a wrap.
That's good, lad.
All done, mate. All done.
Yeah.
You've been an absolutely fantastic model tonight. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Look,
Thanks for having me. Yeah, pleasure always to work with
No,
you.
but on a serious note,
Yeah.
do you feel like, obviously you're getting into photography, do you feel like, you know, being part of a group?
I've known you a long time, but yeah, I've met a lot of other good guys along the way, and there's better turnout tonight.
Yeah.
So yeah, and I've met a lot of new friends, and you know, it's good for the community, definitely.
Yeah, thank you very much. Cheers. You've been a star.
Thank you. Like, I think they sound normal then. I know.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my god.
That was brilliant, really fun, really good fun. Meeting new people, just really good.
Awesome. So you'll come to the next one.
I'll come to the next one, yes, definitely.
Awesome. Thank you very much.
Thank you.